Alas. Stepping back. He's the last round pass. Still full of the last no lead. Yung Arsenio Tumahanilio. Back to Arsenio. 15 seconds shot clock. Arsenio losing the ball. Eagles now trailing down. Out back to the inside. You see 2 points. First blood nakuha naman ang guys sa number 2. Kung sino sa ating opening quarter. Akiata na ng Brooks. Step back 3. Overshoots, rebound. Pero sa kumain ng Lagunsad. Lagunsad. On the side step move. On the last back-to-back score mula kay Lagunsad. 4-0. Corner. Wala naman sa labas. Mabigay sa gitna kay Santos. Santos. Bibihin. Santos. He scores. Di Guzman. Ready up. 15 second shot clock. Ako. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound. Arsenio. Arsenio tumakan ninyo. Akiata sa gitna. 2 points. Akiata.
Akiata niya wala dito. Wala sa Akiata.
Tabla tayo ngayon all 4. 8 minutes and 15 in the first period. Di Guzman dribbling the ball. Pass to Lagunsad. Back to the kanan. 10 second shot clock. Jumper. Grease. Plus. Akiata. Pass to Arsenio. Okay, they Castro from 3. 3 Castro. Biggest man after that. Number 3. Bali ka ng Bless. Brought to you by Bless Bolts. Okay. In out. Wala kay Arsenio. Balik tayo sa side. Biggest man. Pushing away. Score ka. Sorry na contact. By jersey number 18. Biggest man. 15 second shot up. Turns back to Chris. Atake na Lagunsad, wala, limang bahari. Uch! Nakita tumatakbo si Akiata, nakakarami ng mga defender sa gitna. Santos, no! Lagunsad, Di Guzman. John, left. Chris. 15 seconds to shoot. Rebound Akiata. Santos, okay. Play-up is good by Santos. Tablatangan, all na, 6 minutes and 38. Alas na Di Guzman. Hakon in the corner. 3 balls. Play-up bigis niya kaya, balik tayo sa corner 2. Di Guzman. Get back to Chris. Big move, Di Guzman. 10 seconds to shoot. Alas. 3. Arsenio. Mouse back to Santos, back to Arsenio. Leading ang kaya ng the corner. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound. Alas. Ako on fast break play.
Tila pala para sila.
Castro. 15 second shot clock. There's a foul by jersey number 6. Jordan Guzman ang may takot. Guzman dribbling the ball. Jordan from deep. No, rebound. Nakakuha ni Marcelo Baharillo. Outlet kaya Senyo.
May naman.
Titira, basket ka. Mula kaya Senyo. Imanabo. Flashing. Passing. Ako to Flores. Flores. Reverse. Silip. Nakuha ni Santos. Sa kabila, Matthew Arsenio. Back-to-back score pala kay Arsenio. Very good kick out. Open fires. Wala. Tami ka sa L. Eagles back. That's ball. But get it on. Pass. Atak naman Santos. Santos. Oh, it's a turn. Over. Substitution. Fresh legs. Sini Ats. Activate. Ats. Guapo. 15 seconds to shoot. Anas, deflection. Jacobs back. No, rebound again mula kay Santos. Tackle naman sa Marcelo. High stroke. Let it fly. 3 points. Tatlo ulit tayo all 17. Flores with a J. No, rebound at Giata. Giata. Iverson. That's an end one play. Foul by number Giata. This is the bonus. 3-1 by Chris